If you're a DIY designer, a content queen, a visionary brand builder, or a boss running your business from your laptop or your phone, stop scrolling. Canva's Visual Suite 2.0 just dropped. And it's not just an update, it's a full-blown creative evolution. Hey, it's JD, your favorite personal brand strategist and designer. And let me tell you, I've literally got my hands on these updates just a few days ago, and I'm already shook. Canva has officially made it possible to design faster, smarter, and more brilliantly than ever without needing a tech genius or spending hours Googling how-tos. We're talking data, design, and AI tools all working together in one sleek platform. Now, I've been in branding for 22 plus years, and I have seen every platform evolve throughout the years. But this right here is a moment. And the best part is, well, I'm going to save that for last. You got to save the best for last, right? So trust me, you're going to want to stick around till the very last second because yes, it's that deliciously good. Let's dive in. All right, let's get this party started with Canva's AI assistant. So meet your personal branding sidekick, Canva AI assistant. It's like having ChatGPT inside of Canva. All right, so think about it. Like you can create your captions, your design layout, you can brainstorm. Everything is handled because of your bestie, Canva's AI assistant. All you need to do is click on this Canva AI, type everything that you need. Remember, when you're speaking to an AI, you need to be really specific. You need to give it so much context so that it produces really good, whether it's captions, sales copy, website copy, whatever it is, it produces a really good result. And there you have it. Ta-da. That's it. Also create whatever it is that you want by using Canva Code. Again, all you have to do is click on Canva AI yet again. And then when you click into the box, you'll see code for me. And you can literally just ask it to do whatever comes to your mind. Now, bear in mind, this is new to Canva, so it's not always going to get everything absolutely perfect. But hey, what an incredible tool. So let's just now create a simple countdown timer. So I've clicked here. It's already got the prompt ready for me. So there it goes. It's doing its thing. And then ta-da, it is done. And all you need to do now is use it in an actual design. All you want to do here is click the top right corner where it says use in design, and that's it. And if you have no idea about how to design in Canva, I'll link my 88-page Canva guide in the description below. And I'll also link my Canva tutorial so you can watch this after this video. All right, since we're on the topic of AI, this is a really cool function. This is AI voice. So imagine you want to take your presentations to the next level or whatever it is, your designs, and you want to take your text and turn it into a voice. Now you can do that. So all you have to do is go into your document or your file or your design or your presentation, whatever it is, your video. Imagine I've got a presentation and I want to add a voice to it, right? So let me just design this real quick. And then imagine I want to actually have it so interactive for my client, right? Just imagine I'm creating a pitch. So I go to audio and I click on generate AI voice, and then I'll just paste my prompt, and then I'll choose the voice that I want. And then it's going to be generating the AI voice. And there's the voice, which I'll play for you right here.
Welcome to this presentation. Inside of this slide deck, we aim to answer all your questions and highlight how we can bring value to your business, saving you time and money.
Now, if you want to add music to this, go to the same area, add music. So now you can just click the audio file, you can right click on it, you can copy, you can paste, you can duplicate track, delete track, adjust it, you can fade in and fade out, you can sync it to the beat, and then you can adjust the volume. And now you can just do balance all, and that's going to balance everything. So let's take a listen.
Welcome to this presentation. Inside of this slide deck, we aim to answer all your questions and highlight how we can bring value to your business, saving you time and money.
So editing images now has just like transformed. So now you can go directly to the home page, your Canva dashboard, and you'll notice that there's now a separate menu for photo editor. So when you click on there, you'll notice that there's a whole bunch of new features that you can use to edit your photo. So for instance, you can click anywhere on your image. In my example, I'm going to click on those plates on my kitchen bench, and I'm going to hit erase, and it's just going to disappear. And then I want to clean it up by using the brush function. So I'm going to click the brush function and just sweep across it so that you can't see that weird shadow that's there. And then I'm going to hit the magic eraser and give it a second, and it's just going to disappear. Beautiful. All right. It's also now got the option to choose the foreground and the background. So if I wanted to edit my foreground, I could just click on that and make whatever adjustments I want to do. So for instance, if I want to change the color, I can now edit and adjust the color. And then if I wanted to play around with the background, I can do the same thing. So just select the background. I can also replace my background. So I can, same thing as you would normally do. So you would remove the background, and then you would generate a new whole background for you. How cool is that? And then you can again use the AI to tell it what kind of background you want. Generate. And then just give it a second, and you'll see whatever it creates for you. And you don't have to just settle for whatever it gives you first. You can just always say generate again so that you can get more options. Let's just go with this one just for the sake of this example. And now you can also take the background and the foreground and make it really gel together so it doesn't look like a cutout. So all you want to do is click on this little sun, and you're going to hit balance, relight, and ta-da, it just kind of puts it all together. You can also hit maximum relight just to see whether it improves your image. But for me, I'm going to go either none, or I'm going to do balance, relight. You can also select an area where you can add text to your actual image now. And to make this even easier for you, you can download my free 88-page Design Like a Pro guide. Just click the link in the description below to grab your copy and level up your designs instantly. So let's now go into editing text. So now we have the option of kerning plus subscript and superscript. If you're using Canva for any kind of scientists or mathematical reasons, you can now use these amazing text features. So I'm going to show you a quick example for trademark. So here you'll see that I previously created this design and I had my TM as separate text. Now, all I have to do is click on the A with the little slider bars on the right side of it. That's the new feature where you can edit text, and you can click on general to use the subscript or the superscript. And then you've also got typography, where you can switch on kerning and ligatures. if that's something that you want to do, because as you can see, when you use it, it just automatically spaces your text for you without you having to adjust anything. So it's just a really great tool if you are a designer and you're very particular about your designs like I am. I like to call it recovering perfectionist. So these are great additions. Now, the other great feature is the expanded libraries. So Canva now includes Alamy and Floyd images, just to increase cultural richness, aesthetic vibes, and editorial style stock for your brand, for your mood boards, for your social media content, and just everything else that you need. Like I promised, I'm going to save the best for last, and that is the juiciest feature of all. Now you can mix all your different page sizes in one design. Oh my gosh, this is literally changing my life. As somebody who makes digital products for Etsy and my own online store, I often provide a lot of design in various formats. For instance, Instagram squares, Instagram reel covers, Instagram highlight covers, Instagram, the new Instagram sizing 4x5, Instagram stories, and Facebook. Then I've got Pinterest and YouTube, and now I can do it all in one design. I am lost for words. So imagine you can mix your page sizes inside the same Canva file. Flyers, Instagram carousels in one doc. Finally, this is a designer's dream. You can batch create everything without duplicating projects and just making everything so freaking messy. I would have to say this is the wildest part of this entire upgrade. This 2.0 update gives us AI-powered enhancement, new productivity tools, multimedia and design features, interactive educational features, which I haven't even touched on today, but basically you can do quiz generators. There's a few other things that you can do in whiteboards. And like I mentioned, your content libraries just got better. There's also printing, and it gives us enhancements when it comes to typography and text tools. So tell me, which feature are you most excited about? Drop it below and drop the word Canva if you want free access to my 88-page Canva guide. If you found this video helpful, watch this video next. This is my Canva tutorial. Just bear in mind that this is the previous edition, and I'll see you next time.